better get it. I'll be pissed.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there he goes.
We got it. Alright, kill
So
the
now kill the boss.
Nice. Now kill the boss. Fuck yeah. Wow, that was lucky as hell.
boss. Quills. Oh, Furry's being a boss this time.
AoE stun, please.
Yeah, it's not up yet. Yeah, there it is.
There. Alright, go ahead and kill this boss.
Nice.
He's gonna do another quills at 20.
Frost trap, please.
No, my god, I almost rolled off.
Ned, can you drop a frost trap? Up here? Yeah.
He's got it. He's got another quills right now though, so get ready to run
Oh, you mean where we have all those ads load?
back. Not anymore. Okay,
What's gonna be
Drew.
really fun is when we don't get it again.
I'm recording, so I'm sending this to Blizzard if it doesn't work. Alright, here we go. Give us the achievement. What the hell?
Okay, yeah, I hope you recorded that.
Yeah, I did. What the hell? That was 6.